In today's world, we're constantly in need of charging our devices, and charging stations have become a common sight in public places like airports and shopping malls. However, the FBI has recently issued a warning about the potential dangers of using public charging stations, a phenomenon known as juice jacking. Juice jacking involves hackers installing malicious software onto public charging stations, which can then steal sensitive information from your device or even install malware onto it. While this may sound like something out of a spy movie, it's a real threat that we all need to be aware of. The FBI recommends that you only use charging stations that you trust, such as those provided by your employer or a reputable business. If you must use a public charging station, they suggest using a USB data blocker to prevent the transfer of data while still allowing your device to charge, or simply carry a portable charger. Long story short, be cautious when using public charging stations and take steps to protect yourself from potential cyber threats. This is Katie Grigg in Alexandria, Virginia.
Search for and subscribe to It's 505 wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.